how to post 60-second stories on your Instagram account. So first, you want to go ahead and go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then simply type in Instagram, and then you're looking for a button that says update. So once you've updated Instagram to the latest version, then simply click on the open button. So now what you want to do is go ahead and go to the home page, click on your profile picture. Now you want to upload any video that is over a minute long and see if it works. And then simply go ahead and try it out. Click on share to your story. And so you want to go ahead and check it out and see if it worked. However, if it is split into 2 stories, that means it still didn't work for some weird reason. Then what you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile button, and then simply go to the 3 bars on the top right hand corner. And then now you want to click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll all the way down and click on the help button. Click on report a problem, and then click on report problem without shaking. And then now you want to click on the include and continue, and then simply tell Instagram this. Hey Instagram, I have just updated my Instagram app, but I still can't upload the 60-second stories. Can you please go ahead and check it out for me and enable it if it's not currently there? Thank you so much. And then simply click on the send option, and then literally your problem is going to get resolved in about a day or 2.